Hi, this is Tony's Mufflers. Today we're doing a brand new Scania and it's an R620. Customers requested us to put a dual exhaust system on it. So we're just doing a video and showing you actually what we have done to the vehicle. When it came to us, it had a single exhaust and now we've turned it into a dual system. We've made the engine pipes, Y pipes, flex, everything's out of stainless steel, and we put the big heavy stacks on it, built the gantries to suit the vehicle, and this is what it looks like. And all we've got left to do to it at this stage is put the guards on, and once we do that we'll continue the video. So I hope you like this short video.